Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup documents to Google Workspace Drive efficiently. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Workspace Drive website. Log in to your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Once logged in, locate the My Drive section on the left sidebar. To create a new folder for your backup, click the New button located at the top left corner. Select Folder from the drop-down menu. Name your folder appropriately, such as Document Backup, and click Create. Next, prepare the documents you wish to back up on your computer. Select the files or folders you want to upload. You have two options to upload your documents. First, you can drag and drop your files directly into the Google Drive interface. Alternatively, click the New button again and choose File Upload or Folder Upload from the drop-down. Navigate to the location of your documents on your computer. Select the desired files or folder and click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. You will see a progress bar indicating the status. Once uploaded, locate your documents within the newly created folder in Google Drive. To ensure your documents are properly backed up, double-check that all files are available. Consider organizing your documents within subfolders for easier access in the future. If you regularly update these documents, utilize the Backup and Sync application. Download and install the Backup and Sync application from the Google Drive website. Once installed, log in with your Google account to set up the sync. Select the folders you wish to sync with your Google Drive. Adjust the preferences as necessary, then click Start. This will ensure that any changes made to your documents on your computer. Periodically review your Google Drive storage to make sure you have enough space for future backups. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Google account. Regularly monitor and manage your files to keep your Google Drive organized. With these steps, you can efficiently back up your documents to Google Workspace Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.